Hello my beautiful people, thanks again for tuning in to this channel. As I promised you, this is your channel, it is our channel. We're here to share knowledge, to motivate each other so that we can at least move a step ahead, both financially, socially, and all other walks of life. Now, in case you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, hit on that notification bell, and please, when you watch this video, please help me, like right now, click the like button, click the like so that it can be it can be shown to more people so that they can also be motivated by this particular video. Today we are looking at the visit visa, how you can acquire a visit visa here in Qatar. If you need it, please keep around. We shall see steps by steps until you reach your destination in Qatar. Thank you very much. We are looking at two types of visas under visit visa. The first visa here is a family visa. Then the second one is a tourist visa. All these visas have got different requirements that the traveler has to fulfill, or the family member that is based in Doha here that has to fulfill in case of family visa. So let us go down and look at these things in details, how you acquire the visa until you travel to Qatar, then you get a job here, then you can stay here. I have written down on my small booklet, then I'm going to be reading from here because this is a very vital information. I don't need to mess up around with anything. I have to be so keen, but I'm also not the perfect one. When you're coming, when you want to acquire, you can as well even go to the Qatar visa portal. There are also requirements there, but at least I'm going to give you some details here. Now let us start with a family visa. For a family visa, the requirements, actually so many requirements are for the person who is in Qatar, who is inviting you. He has a lot of requirements. Most of the things are done by him or her. So these are the requirements that they will need to invite you to come as a family member. That family member who is based in Doha here must have a Qatar ID, a valid Qatar ID. Then he must meet the requirements, the professional requirements. There are some professions that are allowed to invite. Not all people in Qatar that reside in Qatar that are allowed to invite you. Like me, I cannot invite. There are so many people cannot invite. But if you have like some professions, like a doctor can invite, an engineer can invite, IT expert can invite them, but laborer you can't invite, a driver you cannot invite, a security man cannot invite, and others you can't invite. So those people who were asking, send me an invitation later, invitation, they cannot invite. Then another thing is the salary requirement. For you to invite someone, to invite a family member from your country to come here, you must have a salary of 10,000 Qatar Riyal, 10,000 Qatar Riyal, a monthly salary of that one, then, or 7,000 Qatar Riyal in case your company you're working with provides you with accommodation. If the company pays for your accommodation or you stay in a company accommodation, then you will require 7,000 Qatar Riyal. My salary is not yet to that end, so I cannot also invite Then for the traveler, these are your requirements. You need to have a valid passport. Your passport should be valid in that it should not be expiring within the next 6 months. So it should be at least 1 year to be on the safe side. But if it is expiring within the next 6 months, your visa might not be permitted. Then you'll need also to take passport photos. You'll need to take extras. These are the things you'll do when you're coming. There is that extras app. You need to put it there. You download it on the app store. It is there. Because your family member who is here is going to guide you on how to download it, or will send you a link. You can download it. You'll need to do a PCR test because of COVID time. You'll need to take a vaccine certificate because we expect you to have at least got 2 doses of COVID. So here you can settle in Qatar. Yeah. Then you'll also need to certify. You're going to certify your relationship with the one inviting you. You take that to your nearest Qatar embassy. If Qatar embassy is in your country, you can take there. If it's not there, you can go to the next country or the neighboring country. So for certification, that is family visa. Now there is this also a tourist visa. Now, tourist visa, this is a visa that you will get to just come here, tour around, visit, see your friends, see amazing Qatar, see the good places around. Then within 30 days, you go back. Within 30 days, you go back. These are the requirements now for the tourist visa. You'll have to fill an online form. There is an online form you'll get on the Qatar visa portal. You put in Qatar visa. You will write Qatar tourist visa. Then the form will be there. You download it. You fill it online there. Then you send. If you download it, you'll download, print out, fill, again scan, then send. Because there is no office you're going to take. You have to send online. That form, you are going to attach the following: a round trip air ticket. If in case you're going to use in case you're going to use air transport, you'll need a round trip air ticket, or any other transport you're going to use, but you have to pay for the fare that will bring you and take you back to your country. Then you will need a bank statement, or some people call it proof of fund. This bank statement will tell the authorities that you are going to sustain yourself here. So that's why they need a bank statement. Again, your passport should be valid and it shouldn't be expiring within the next 6 months. Then you're going to pay for the visa. You're going to pay online for the visa. You're 100 Qatar Rial. After that, then the government will issue a visa. For the tourist visa, it is valid only for 30 days. So you are required to stay in Qatar for only 30 days. And mind you, before you come, you will need to make a hotel booking, showing where you're going to stay within the next 30 days or how many days you're going to be in Qatar. They will also ask for them at the airport as you are entering Qatar at the airport. Otherwise, I wish you the best. The other thing I've not mentioned is once you go beyond 30 days, you're going to be paying for the overstay. That is overstay, and you're going to pay 200 per day. 200 per day. Now, another thing I had forgotten for the family visa. Currently, starting I think with last year, probably last year, they have the government, because of this COVID, it is no longer, the one inviting is no longer 10,000, it is 15,000 Qatar Riyal. Why? They need to reduce on the number of people coming through family visa. Because of Corona, they are trying to reduce the number of people coming here. So that's why they have hiked it to that amount. But I think at any time it will again stabilize. Then you can invite your loved ones, invite your family members to come and stay with them here. Otherwise, I wish you the best. In case you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. In case it is your first time here, once you subscribe, please hit on the bell, hit on the notification bell. Anything we post here, it will come direct to your TV, to your phone. Yeah. Otherwise, I wish you the best. See you in the next video.